heat it up for a minute. I'm gonna go get another mouse too. Actually, 2 more.
He's a pig.
Look at Pearl. She's like, hey, where's mine?
I know.
Yeah, the other package, they can't be hoppers. Look how small that is. They're all like this. I'm gonna feed her both of these though. Oh yeah, the water's in there.
You mean the ones we just fed them weren't hoppers?
I mean, I don't know. They look small for hoppers. Like another different size of the hoppers, but
She's about out of water too, Brent.
shit.
About 2 minutes.
Like, nom nom.
She's twice a day, right? Should I feed her again?
Did you feed her lettuce and stuff today?
I haven't fed her lettuce.